Hey guys, today we are traveling to Tansa Lake. It is based out near Kalamgaon village which comes in the outskirts of Thane district. Tansa Lake is one of Mumbai's water sources which has a dam built over it that was built in the year 1892. And the unique thing about this dam's history is that during the year 1892 it was one of the largest masonry dam in the world. The water is supplied to Mumbai through huge pipes that you will surely see in the upcoming parts of the video. So we have covered 42 kilometers from our place and now it's time for a short break. So here we are back on the road. After covering more 8 kilometers from the last snack break, you will get a big entry gate to the village on your left. From here you have to go approximately about 30 kilometers to reach near the lake. Keep traveling alongside the pipes which you will see on both sides of the road.
So guys, we are near Tansa Lake.
हम लोगों ने एक्चुअली मैप्स पे जो तानसा लेक का लोकेशन डाला था वो लोकेशन पे एक्सेस नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट अथॉरिटीज सेड कि अभी उधर आपको अलाउ नहीं कर सकते.
So if you want to find out कि हम लोग को आखिर में लेक का व्यू मिला कि नहीं, stay tuned till the end of the video. So see you at the next spot. So as promised, here's the next spot. So after a lot of hard work, we finally found a view. Check it out. थोड़ा रिस्की है पर ठीक है, उतना भी रिस्की नहीं है, कुछ नहीं. ओए ओए तेरी ओए तेरी ओए तेरी ओए तेरी. हाँ हाँ. Just look at the view. So you guys must be wondering कि ये जगह हम लोगों को कैसे पता चली. So basically हम लोग जब इस रास्ते से जा रहे थे पाइप के वो बाजू से, so एक कपल बाहर आया. सो बट फॉर ऑब्वियस अगर कोई कपल वहाँ पे जाके जिंदा वापस आते तो ऑब्वियसली दैट प्लेस इज सेफ एज वी स्पीक. एंड आप लोगों को भी आने तो आप आ सकते हो. विल पुट द लिंक, डायरेक्ट लिंक टू इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. अरे कहाँ से जाओगे? राइट से क्यों रह रहे?
more important thing, the total capacity of this reservoir is 44,300 cubic meters. This is not exactly a tourist destination or a picnic spot, but for those who are looking out to enjoy the lakeside view away from the city hustle, this is a perfect spot to spend some quality time enjoying the scenic beauty of the lake. If you plan to visit this lake, kindly note that there is no proper restaurant or hotel facilities in the nearby region, so please carry your own snacks and water along with you.
So guys, if you like the video, please click the like button.
Share it with your family and friends.
And please do subscribe to our channel
HYM Redefined.
Everything changes.